Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Jamaicans for Justice JFJ is pushing for an expansion of the list of persons who can refer children to the child diversion program. Under the legislation, only the courts and the police are authorized to do so. JFJ's executive director was speaking at a joint select committee looking at changes to the Child Diversion Act. Michael Jackson said between 2020 and 2024, 218 minors were referred by the police and 1,235 through the courts.
Are independent of the court. So if we read the legislation as it is currently framed, what it says is that a prosecutor can make a recommendation to the court for the court to then divert. But if we remind ourselves about the principle of diversion, we want to ensure that our children are diverted as early as possible.
In the meantime, JFJ reiterated its call for the decriminalization of consensual sexual intercourse between minors ages 12 to 17.
The last 3 years, we would have trained perhaps about 300 or more police officers. And I can tell you, when doing those trainings, if we have a total of 10 officers who are familiar with the child diversion program or made diversion, we would be generous in that number. So it means that we need to do the public education in law enforcement and also with the defense counsels, because the awareness among attorneys based on what we know, it is low, and it is something that we really do need to push. It's very high among prosecutors.